Hello, today I'm in Tesla Model Y. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Simply press the button located on the top of the lever to use front wipers. Now you can take a look at the screen display. As you can see right here, we've got the panel with wipers mode. You can select between mode 1, 2, 3, 4 and auto. Also, you can press this button on the screen display, go to wipers and select it manually again. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.